We live in a cloud-first world, and we tend to often talk about cloud-first in terms of services or of operational consumption and such. Infrastructure, though, we kind of look as kind of a set thing, especially in the old mindset. So how do we define cloud-first from an infrastructure point of view?
Everyone on this call today here is serving a customer base somewhere or the other, be it in B2B or B2C. We all have customers we're dealing with. Now, there has been interesting changes in the expectations from the customer base. They want things and they want it now. They don't have time to wait. They are impatient. And in order for us to be able to innovate with speed, we need to have a very, very flexible and elastic infrastructure set.
I find the lead time to deliver is taking too long. The requirements upfront around capital investment, right? And especially now with the impacts to the economy. The other things that, we cannot also ignore is security. Also, from a maintenance perspective, with infrastructure, you have to have continuous maintenance. And I think the biggest challenge that we face as an organization and as a country is this lack of skill set.
But the good thing is, especially in South Africa, the curriculum is now starting to change, to shift towards incorporating some of those skills that are important or that will be relevant into the future as we look ahead.
Our value proposition to the university was we're going cloud first, leading with cloud.
We kind of have been in cloud even before there was cloud. And that has actually helped to hide all the complex, be it applications, be it hardware, infrastructure, that one needs to understand and interact with in order to mitigate these issues.
It's a landmine field of having to maneuver your data, understanding what to move, when and how, and what the costs are and what you have to consider.
We really need to make sure that our governance is in place. Our people know what to do, so we train them. We have created a culture of cybersecurity. We have created a workforce that is cyber aware.
And for an IT department, that's probably the most key thing, is to make sure that your end user is having a good experience. Because if they're on a really, really terrible connection of some sort, they're not going to be very productive. They're not going to be able to work properly.
The transformation in digital, we've seen that we need agility in our development cycles as well.
The part of orchestration also becomes very important, as mainly in the past we were looking at large-scale supercomputers. But we have seen that now with the current trends and demands on big data analytics, that this cuts across all areas, and we find that orchestration becomes very important.
Thank you for speaking your minds. Thank you for participating. This was a roundtable from Brainstorm and Oracle. My name is James Francis, your facilitator for today, and I hope to see you at the next one. And please have a great afternoon. Thank you.